For more than 20 years, Aokly Power has always been dedicated to the research and development of high-performance, long-life, wide temperature range, high-security starting battery products, including automotive starting batteries, AGM, EFB, starts and stops battery, and marine battery in 3 major categories and multiple types. Adopt high-purity materials, patented technology formula, unique flame retardant materials, optimized sealing structure, fireproof and explosion-proof. Among them, the AGM start-stop battery code cranking amperes is 30% higher than that of normal flooded battery and has strong starting performance. The partial charge and the deep cycle performance of EFB start-stop battery is twice that of the normal flooded battery, supporting the engine to start more frequently and extended idle time. The marine battery has large output power, small self-discharge, strong starting and durability. Each high-safety starting battery is derived from the high-standard production environment of Aokly Power. It adopts international advanced production, testing equipment, and the unique patented core technology, and is manufactured in strict accordance with the National Quality Management System. Aokly Power is not only a battery supplier for many domestic and foreign automotive enterprises, but also a designated partner for batteries of bus systems in many domestic first-line cities. The products are widely used in the fields of marine, starting and stopping cars, taxis, cars, trucks, and other automobiles, and possesses export certificates of West African PC, Middle East COC, and East African PVOC, etc. It cooperates in depth with the third-party inspection laboratories formulated by the state. Intertech, FGS, BV authorized third-party cooperation abroad is extensive and stable. Quality has won the trust and support of many countries and regions in the world. Aokly, driving the bright future.